What's going on, Empire fans? We're doing another video. Today we're continuing The Walking Dead Season 1 with Lee's story. I just want to say I'm truly sorry about the last episode that you guys watched. There was no audio for it for some reason. I went to clean up the audio and edit and all that stuff, and I found out that there was no audio at all, and it was not recording the audio at all. So you probably wasn't able to hear. So it's not your volume, it's nothing wrong with your audio, it was all mine. I'm truly sorry for that, but I gotta fix it again. So today we're gonna continue Lee's story. Lee's story in The Walking Dead Season 1. So last time we found a battery, we stuck into Crawford, we found out some dark secrets, a lot of other innuendo stuff was happening. So now we're continuing it, and we're gonna, let's just say, more truth is about to be uncovered. So if you enjoyed this series and every other content I'm making, like and subscribe. Hit that like button for your boy. And let's begin.
Jesus Christ. Oh, you scared the shit out of me. Where the fuck have you been?
Sightseeing.
I'll take that battery now.
Oh, yeah, about that. I'm just kidding.
Why are you making jokes?
Here you go.
What's that?
Nothing.
You lied to me.
What?
You said you'd never been here before, but that wasn't the truth, was it?
What? Who told you that?
I saw you on a security tape. You were having an affair with that doctor.
Hey, from what I've heard, you're not real big on the truth yourself. Besides, I didn't lie.
I asked you how you knew about Crawford. You said you just heard stories.
I said there were stories about Crawford. I never said that's how I knew about it. I never lied to you, and even if I did, so what? I don't owe you anything.
You saved my life twice, but you can't tell me the truth?
Are we really gonna do this now?
I guess that's up to you.
I used to live here with my sister. She was 14 years old. When the dead started walking and Crawford shut itself in, it seemed like a pretty good deal at first. We were safe. We had everything we needed to survive. Then the rules started coming down. No one who couldn't justify their place earned their keep. No one who required special care. My sister was diabetic, and by Crawford's rules, that made her a liability. I kept it a secret, kept her safe for as long as I could, but in the end, I couldn't protect her. That's when I got out. Crawford, they always talked about how their system worked, how anything was better than becoming one of them, but I saw what they'd already become. I just wish I could have seen it before it was too late, before they came and took my sister away. This is all I have left of her. I didn't have time to take it before I got out of Crawford. I just wanted it, okay?
It's okay, Mother. I understand. She's pretty.
What the hell?
I think that's our cue to get the hell out of here.
Jesus!
Sorry. I just got spooked by those bells, and then I heard someone coming.
Did you leave Clementine alone?
No, Kenny's with her. We still can't open that armory door. He sent me out to look for something we can use to bust it open. I found this.
Ben? Where did you get that?
I just found it. It was stuck in the door handle at the end of the hallway back there.
Oh no.
Okay, here we go.
Shoot this fucker!
I didn't even shoot.
It wasn't me.
Oh, nice shot.
Yeah, but Clemmy came through.
What the fuck is going on? They're coming. Oh, shit. That ought to hold them.
Sure, but now how do we get out?
Through the armory. We can just get this damn door open.
Give me that.
Come
freaking
on,
moron.
damn you!
This is my fault. All my fault.
What the hell's he babbling about?
Ben, we talked about this.
No, wait. I want to know what he meant. What do you mean this is all your fault?
Penny, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man. Kid, this ain't the best time. Whatever you did, save it for later.
Ben,
Shut up.
shut the fuck up.
Fuck you, Lee. I can't do this anymore. It's been me all along, putting all of us in danger. Katja and Duck, it was all me. It was all me. Wait a minute. What are you saying? It was me who made the deal with the bandits at the motor inn, slipping them supplies. I thought maybe I could keep them off our backs. When it got discovered, that's when they attacked. And that's when Duck...
Kitty, I agree with you. You should kick his ass. But now's not the time. We gotta focus on getting out of here.
You little pissant! You're fucking dead! You hear me? Dead! My wife and child! You gotta both fucking kill!
Kitty, listen to me. You can whip his skinny little ass later, but right now we gotta go.
Nice group you got here.
Not the time, Molly.
If this asshole thinks he's getting on my boat after what he did, he's out of his motherfucking mind!
Kenny, I know you're upset. I understand. But you don't get to make a decision like that on your own. We're all in this together. We're a group.
Sure! Take a vote! This is America! Fuck it! But before you all decide, there's something you want to know. The boat's not big enough for all of us. Somebody's got to get left behind. Might as well be this piece of shit right here!
Well, I vote we leave him. I'm sorry, Ben. I know you mean well, but all I want to do is get back to Omid, and you put that at risk.
Wait, don't I get a vote?
Yes.
Of course you do.
Ben's nice. He's my friend. We don't leave friends behind. That's my vote.
On second thought, I think I'm gonna abstain. Lee?
I'm sorry, Ben. I've got to do what's best for the group.
Exactly.
That means cutting you loose.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Clemmy. I got...
What about the rest of us? Don't we get a say?
Oh, God. Here we go.
Now can we go?
Damn right. Vernon, come on.
Vernon.
So much for the armory. What's left of it?
A few rounds. That's it.
You didn't close that door behind us?
I couldn't. The lock was busted.
Great. Just fucking great. Come on. There's got to be a way out down here.
Oh, shit. Close that door.
It's not gonna hold. Back upstairs.
Lee, look!
All right. I'll turn the Sanders. Come on, then. Come on, then. There you go. 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 Who next? Touch my chicken. Don't touch my chicken. Nobody else ain't coming anymore. Don't come here. I can do this all day. Oh no! Okay, I just died for some reason even though I shot them all. There I go, leave a shot to them. Oh crap. Gotta chop. There you go. And chop. 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 Oh, come on. Let's get out of here.
Come on!
Gotcha,
It's all right, Clem. I'm fine. Any way out of here?
This leads to the roof. We might be able to find a way down from there.
You didn't come into town from the railroad, did you? Yeah. Why? Never mind. I could see the sewer when we came in from here. I think we can do this. Well, what are we waiting for? Go! Go! Yeah, come on, let's go! Climb up! Come on, you can do it!
There's no time! You have to go! Now!
Fucking around, Ben! Come on!
Let go, damn it! Get Clem and the others out of here!
Lee!
Lee, we both know. Let me go!
Alright. Oh! He got broke his legs. I think if he fell on his butt, then maybe he would have. For whom the bell tolls.
Everything okay?
Oh, me!
Clem, stay back. Don't get any closer.
I never should have left you. I'm so sorry.
Christy, get away from him!
Hey. Back already?
We got you medicine.
Good. Feel like I could use some. Where's Ben?
He didn't make it.
What happened?
Dumb son of a bitch nearly got us all killed. Lee stepped up and did what he had to. That's what happened.
Nice going, asshole.
What's eating you?
Yeah, I did what I had to. But I don't expect Clementine to understand that. Hell, I don't want her to understand it.
You did the right thing. Trust me. She'll understand. I'm gonna go start work on the boat.
Okay, with a little luck, you should start feeling better pretty soon. I'll stay here for a few more hours to check on him. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks, Doc.
Yes, thank you so much.
Maybe now's a good time for you and me to have a little talk, in private.
Alright.
Listen, man. About what happened to Bree.
Please, save your sympathy for someone who's buying it.
What?
You don't think by now I got you figured? You don't strike me as someone who has a lot of consideration for others. Look at what you did to get me to come here with you in the first place. You expect me to believe you give a shit that it wound up costing Bree her life?
Now just hold on a damn minute. Listen.
No, you listen. You got some good people here, and they look to you as their leader. Well, I'm here to tell you, the kind of leader you are, they're not gonna make it much longer. And you're kidding yourself if you think putting them all on a boat is gonna solve anything. Now, you may not care about all of those people, but I know you care about that little girl. Which is why I'm gonna make you an offer.
What kind of an offer?
I'll take her off your hands, take her back with me to my people. We're well supplied, well hidden, and a lot of us have had kids of our own. And now Crawford's fallen, we got nothing left to fear from them. She'll be safe with us. Safer than she will be if she stays with you, I promise you. That's what you want for her, isn't it? To be safe?
Yeah, but I'm good with
I
her.
didn't say any of this and give you a chance to run away. What you want to do right now?
I know you think you're doing what's best for her. And if you were her real father, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But you're not, are you? Just another one of your lies.
That little girl's in my care. We've been through more together than you can imagine. Anyone who tries to get between me and her, anyone, is gonna wind up dead. You hear me?
Take your hands off me.
Hey, going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm about to head out. I just wanted to say thanks for everything. It's been fun.
What are you talking about? Kenny's working on the boat right now. Thought you were coming with us. God knows you earned it.
Yeah, I've been thinking it over. It's not for me. Sounds like it'd be pretty crowded, and I never did like the water.
You sure about this?
I'm sure. I've always done better on my own anyhow. Listen, I'm not much for goodbyes. Tell the others for me?
Sure. You take care of yourself, Molly.
You too, Lee. And you be sure to take care of that little girl. You know she thinks the world of you.
I know.
Good luck.
Ain't nothing to do with luck.
Clemmy, I know you're upset. I'm sorry.
Hey,
I'm
sweetie.
sorry.
Kenny's working on the boat.
Yo,
No.
What are we going to do after he fixes it? Where will we go?
we're going to split off. I don't know, someplace else.
Someplace else. Someplace better. Clem, honey, what's wrong?
What happened to Ben? What did Kenny mean when he said you did what you had to?
He didn't want me to save him.
It Believe me, I tried to save him, but Ben didn't want me to.
What do you mean?
What Ben did was very brave. He knew we were running out of time, and that saving him might put everyone else in danger. So he told me to leave him behind so the rest of us could get away. I know that's difficult to understand.
I understand.
You do?
Yeah, he thought about other people before he thought about himself. My mom always told me that's what makes a good person.
Well, she was right.
Before we leave tomorrow, will we have time to look for my parents?
So, look before we leave.
I don't know why I lied.
You'll take me to Crawford so we can look? I knew you didn't really mean it.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why I just lied for, because that made no sense in any way, shape, or form.
Clementine?
What the?
Clementine?
Where'd everybody else go? Morning after.
Clementine? Clementine! Oh, God.
Is that her head over there? Oh!
Lee? Lee? You out here? Lee!
Are you crazy? What are you doing out here? It ain't safe.
No,
Lee?
yeah, show him.
Where's Clementine? She's not in her room.
Vernon ain't in the house either. What the hell is going on?
Whose blood is that?
It's mine.
Oh my god.
No way. No fucking way.
There's no time to worry about me. Clementine's gone.
There's no chance she just wandered off on her own?
No way.
Then who the hell took her?
I don't know. Last night Vernon came to me and offered to take her with him. Said she'd be better off.
Son of a bitch. I knew we couldn't trust that fucker.
Wherever she is, I have to find her.
Okay. What do you need from us?
Clint may not have much time. We have a better chance of finding her if we all go together. Who's with me?
We're all responsible for Clementine, and in your condition, you may not make it to her in time. She needs our help. All of our help.
Damn right. I can't let you do this alone. I am? You know I care about Clementine, and I am a Christian man. And I keep asking myself, if this was me, asking you for help, asking you to put your life on the line, would you be there for me? Because there have been plenty of times when you ain't been.
Kenny, man, I'm begging you here. I can't do this alone. I need your help, please.
You might not have been keeping score, Lee, but I have. And you've been looking out for yourself more often than your friends. Well, maybe that's a good thing, because you're on your own on this one.
Guess it's just me and you guys. We should go find Vernon, see if he took her.
I'll get the boat out onto the river. Figure I can wait there until you get back, or at least until nightfall.
You're still gonna take me? Even Ben?
Yeah, we'll figure out what to do about that when the time comes.
Come on, guys, let's go. Where the hell are they?
Looks like they got out of here in a hurry.
Vernon, get out here! There doesn't have to be any trouble here. All I want is the girl. Give her back and nobody needs to get hurt. Are you all right? Where are you? Vernon, you son of a bitch!
Who is this?
It's not Vernon if that's what you're thinking. And you should really watch your tone. Clementine's fine. But if I were you, I'd choose my next words very carefully.
Oh, episode 5, no time left. Did you kill the boy in the attic? 73% of players killed him. Did you lie or threaten? 42% of players threatened or lied to him. Did you bring Clementine with you to Crawford? 47% of them did, but I didn't care. Did you let Ben fall to his death? You and 54%. Did you reveal your bite? You and 80%. Yep, I knew it. Who came with you? We may have had a better chance if we freaking had. Our probability of success was 6% if we went by ourselves. If everybody went, it would have been 16%. If Henny and Ben went with us, it would have been 12%. It'd been more successful with 18% if we went with Kenny, but we would have to go through the entire game again and choose all and side with him on every single decision. Just to, you know. Alright. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready for episode 5, the last season before the DLC that I got for it. Let me know down in the comments, and I will see you in the next video real soon. Like I said, it's already about